How's it going, everyone? Mike here with Merch by Amazon March 19th sales update. Another really good day. So this is, I'm not sure how many videos I've done in a row now, but the average is definitely growing. I haven't had this many double-digit days probably ever, and it's definitely due to me being tiered up to 20,000. I'm going to repeat this one more time for people who are new and watching these sales updates. But I started doing daily sales updates because I skipped tier 10,000. I was in tier 8,000, and then I was tiered up to 20,000, which is highly unusual. I've received a lot of comments, and people are asking, how did that happen? Why does that happen? It doesn't matter. What matters is I'm here now, and it feels really good. So ever since I got tiered up, I figured, you know what, I'm going to start doing these daily updates just to see if actually uploading a lot more products and basically just working really hard on actually cleaning up all the titles, descriptions, and like I said, just getting into a lot more categories because to have 12,000 more products live than I did for pretty much the whole last year feels really good. So I want to be smart about it, but I also want to kind of keep track of everything that's going on and share it with you guys. Okay, let's get into these numbers and look at some of this information a little more closely. So for the last week, maybe 2 weeks, I've been hovering around 60 sales for a 7-day average. And now that's slowly increasing. There were a few days where I had 3 and 4 sales. They're out of the picture, at least, for this week, which brings up my 7-day average. And again, this is just the US market for now. This month, as you can see here, 162 total sales, which means that by tomorrow, even if I have a few sales, I will beat my previous month. And that actually feels really good. So as you can see here, it is the 19th right now. So I'm recording this actually before the end of the day. I'm going to upload it tomorrow morning. But by tomorrow, I would have beaten February. So that's really good. And there's honestly, I think, a lot of room for this to be probably one of the better or the best month out of the last, 5 since November 2020. So that's actually really good. I don't want to go that far and say it's going to happen, but I can see it hitting 200 plus without any problems. That's, again, if sales continue the way they have been going. So that's good. Let's see what we've had here. So this is... So total sales, as you can see here, 162 for the US market, and my total number of sales is 195. So again, tomorrow, if I hit 5 sales, I will crack the 200 sales mark, which is actually really, really nice. As you can see here, these numbers haven't really changed much since yesterday, but it's still nice to see sales across the board. The last thing I want to quickly look at are the products that are selling. So before we get into that, even though you can see it right here, so again, the US market, which is also the total for today, I've hit over $200 in sales for about $46.60 in royalties, and this is actually a nice number here, 423 royalties per sale, which is a little more than my average of about $3, $3.50. So that's really good. And going through these products, as you can see here, pretty much, I've been saying this for the last couple of days, standard premium t-shirts without a doubt are top sellers, and then we get into pop sockets and phone cases, and specifically iPhone cases. So you can see here there's one that's, this is actually one of my best sellers, and today I did get 3 sales, but this is one of the first days where probably half of these products are new designs. Usually it's probably something like a third, but right now today I was pushing half, which is a good feeling because my new designs are selling, and that actually feels really, really good. Let's see if there's anything else we can look at. Yep, the last thing I keep mentioning in these videos, and it's actually funny and I don't know, amazing, I guess, is that I still officially would not have been tiered up to 10,000. As you can see here, my total sales are just getting to close to 8,000, and that would have meant tier 10,000, but here we are. Anyways, as always, thanks for watching, and if you guys have any questions, thoughts, leave the comments down below.